Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see GitHub Recon or GitHub enumeration for sensitive data manually. So basically GitHub Recon is a technique through which we can try to enumerate and find some of the juicy information which is being left out by the developers into the GitHub repositories. So one of the best way is to do it manually. So as you can see over here as a very good article given by HackerWin to get a sensitive information about a target infrastructure using GitHub Recon. So as you can see, these are some of the few list of items that we should look for first. So let us try first for the API key. Then also we can see for secret keys, AWS key, password, FTP, logging, and some type of GitHub tokens. So let us try with the API key first. So let us just go quickly here and paste it over here. And let's say in hackme.top level domain, we type, let's say Infosys. Okay, let's try for this. And do we get something? Let us see this if we get something here and here. Okay, so let's see if we get something for this particular dark that we have searched randomly. Okay, do we get something for here? Okay, they are just saying this is a type of guide where they say how to use this. Okay, this is again a type of guide where they are saying how to use this basically. Okay, this is not sensitive, but this way you can try to identify the data which is being saved into the repositories in an insecure manner. Let us try one more. So let's try with a secret key. Okay, so let's see if we can find some sensitive information based on secret key. You can also use this to find out sensitive information in the repositories which contains the secret key. So we have been come here to get a repo of Infosys. Let's see if there is something called a secret key. Yeah, so we can see something is there into the readme, but is there anything sensitive which has been exposed for now? Yeah, not. So we can see nothing is getting exposed. So for now at least. Yeah, so in case there are some code changes of the developers loosely save the code and uploads something by mistake, then we may get some of the sensitive information over here. Okay, so these were some of the docs. There is a very huge list of GitHub docs which are uploaded over here by the same user that we use the tool for automation. You can utilize these docs. There are plenty of docs which you can utilize to find sensitive information, from npm to docker to private keys to ssh keys, sql keys, sql database, environment file, wp config, s3 configuration, Heroku keys. So there are a lot of files that you can enumerate. Just take one by one this particular dark and just give the organization's name or the top level domain name, and you may end up finding something which is sensitive. So yeah, this is one of the way, although the best way would be doing automation for Recon is one of the best way for doing for GitHub, at least for doing GitHub enumeration. But I would recommend that sometimes the tool also misses something, so you may also try to do it manually as well. If any fresh data or sensitive information has been indexed by Google, then you may tend to find that particular information, which can turn out to be very critical and may go to P1 severity of bug, as we saw into the Snapchat HackerOne's report. So I hope you guys understood how you can perform GitHub reconnaissance the manual way. Thank you.